Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove the reverse bulb in my 2013 F-150. This is going to be pretty straightforward, so let's jump right in. First, you want to open your tailgate so you can access the two bolts that secure the taillight in place. Chances are, your tailgate will fall a lot faster than mine is. If you want to slow your tailgate down, I'll leave a link to a video where I installed this assist. Looking on the inside, you will notice these two bolts right here. These are 8mm, and they are the only two bolts holding the taillight in place. However, you don't have to worry about the assembly falling down. I'll explain why in a little bit. Go ahead and remove both bolts and then we can move on. There's one. And there's two. Now you want to pull the assembly straight out. You may have trouble getting a grip at first, but you should be able to finagle it out. Just like that. I'll show you the tabs that hold the taillight in place when we reinstall the assembly. Now this is the socket that houses your reverse light and the bulb size is 912. In order to remove the socket, you need to twist it counterclockwise. If you need more room, go ahead and remove the upper electrical connector. This will allow the taillight assembly to fall down a little bit, as you can see. Now you can give it a turn counterclockwise and then pull the socket straight out. Removing the bulb from the socket is easy, just pull it straight up. Perfect. Now you can place that bulb to the side and then grab a new one. These bulbs are small, so you will have to touch it in order to install it. Typically, you don't want to because it can cause the bulb to wear out prematurely, but that's an easy fix. Go ahead and push the bulb in place. Then grab a clean rag or a towel and wipe the bulb down. This will remove anything that may be on the glass. Once that's done, we can get the socket back in the housing. You will notice 4 tabs on the bulb and 4 slots in the opening right here. One of the tabs is bigger than the other 3. Same thing for the slots. Once you know where the bigger tab is, find the bigger slot and then make sure they line up when you insert the bulb back into the housing. Be very careful when inserting the bulb, making sure it does not touch the sides. Once the socket bottoms out, go ahead and turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Make sure it's turned all the way to prevent it from backing out over time. All that's left to do is reconnect the top electrical connector and then we can move on. Now before you just try to shove the assembly back in, let's take a look at how it locks in place. There is a tab right here and another right here. These will go right into this hole and there's another hole at the bottom here out of the camera view. Now as I whip the camera around, all you need to do is give the taillight assembly a little push straight back. Just like that. That's locked in place, and all that's left is to screw in the 2 8mm bolts to keep the taillight secured. Perfect. Raise your tailgate and then you should probably check your lights to make sure they are operating correctly. Just hit your brake and put your truck in reverse. This will let you know if all 3 bulbs light up or not. That's all there is to it. If you found any part of this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss a video from our channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.